Many people are learning English incorrectly. I usually come across many students who are trying their best to learn English, but their progress is slow and boring. In fact, most of them have a hard time speaking English fluently. In this video, we are going to talk about what they are doing wrong and why they should shift their focus to learning English like a native speaker. We are going to introduce tons of suggestions and free resources, so watch through the end for a list of everything that could help you. This is Deed Language, and we provide tips and tricks to help you speak and write English like a native speaker. We enhance your English skills by teaching you how to integrate AI technology into language learning. So let's dive into learning English faster. One great way to evaluate your language learning progress is to pay close attention to how fluent and accurate you speak. I mean, understanding the gist of the text and being able to figure out some 75% of a movie is alright, but you should be able to talk conveniently if you know a language pretty well. So, here are 6 effective methods that can help you learn English and speak the language at a faster pace. First up, immerse yourself in English. The logic is simple. The more English content you come across, the more language experience you gain. The more language experience you gain, the more fluent you become in a new language. To maximize your English learning through immersive language exposure, the focus should be on integrating English into your daily life in a way that it feels natural and enjoyable. Do not study English. Just fill your surroundings with enjoyable English content and let the magic happen. The key point here is quantity. Focus on increasing the number of English content you are exposed to during any given day. You can start by watching TV shows that focus on daily lives of people and are rich in vocabulary, making them great resources for learning English. Watch Friends, This Is Us, Modern Family, The Office, Master of None, The Crown, Downton Abbey, Grey's Anatomy, Brooklyn Nine-Nine, or Seinfeld. These shows are not only entertaining, but also immerse you in diverse linguistic settings, making them excellent tools for enhancing your language comprehension and conversational skills. These shows mainly focus on everyday lives of people, so they use the type of vocabulary and sentence structure you might need. Plus, this approach helps you with understanding colloquial expressions and cultural points, which are often not taught in formal educational setting. Watching these shows is the perfect opportunity for you because you get to improve your reading by reading the subtitle, listening, and speaking all at the same time. Use English subtitles initially if you are a beginner. This helps you connect the spoken and written English. As you become more comfortable, remove them altogether. You can always ask ChatGPT to find you more of these TV shows or even movies. Simply state your preferences and let the AI narrow down the choices so you end up watching something that suits your taste. It doesn't stop at TV shows. Surround yourselves with English music, podcasts, and books, all for fun. Do not think of them as homework assignments. Simply think of them as the books you read to learn something, the music you listen to enjoy yourself, and the podcasts you listen to pass the time. You can always listen to music on any streaming services and read the lyrics at the same time. To make things fun, you can listen to songs on Apple Music, available in both iOS and Android. Switching to lyrics mode and turning down the vocal audio. This gives you an instant karaoke to practice singing in English while looking at the lyrics. You can also search for learning English in any free podcast application on your smartphone. There are literally thousands of shows and episodes that could help you. Try a few of them and simply choose to follow the one that you connect with the most. For instance, you could tune into The English We Speak for quick lessons or get inspired by TED Talks daily if you are feeling ambitious. When it comes to books, the sky's the limit. There are many books that are both entertaining and educational, in which language complexity evolves as the series progresses. For instance, the Harry Potter series, the Chronicles of Narnia, the Hunger Games, a series of unfortunate events, and his Dark Materials are examples of books that reflect a natural progression in language that can greatly benefit language learners as they improve their English reading skills. These books are not only engaging but also structured in a way that helps English learners at various stages. They offer a mix of vocabulary that evolves with each book, making them ideal for gradual learning development. While immersing in movies, podcasts, and music and books is great, you should put what you've learned into practice. Language exchange apps like Tandem or HelloTalk connects you with native speakers, giving you real-time conversation practices. It's like having a chat with a friend while also improving your language skills. Lastly, make English a part of your daily routine. Dedicate specific times for reading, writing, listening, and speaking. Use apps like Duolingo and Elevate for daily practice, and don't forget to review regularly. Remember, consistency is key to mastering any skill. Consistent daily practice is vital for language learning. You have to incorporate English into your daily commute or while you exercise. From beginner-friendly episodes to advanced discussions, there is a podcast, a book, or a TV show out there for everyone. A final point to remember: whenever you run out of material to immerse yourself in English, generate some material according to your needs using ChatGPT. Act as an English teacher specializing in EFL. Create a reading passage that is suitable for an intermediate level of English proficiency. The passage should primarily use basic to intermediate vocabulary and focus extensively on the present perfect tense. In this passage, I have asked ChatGPT to generate a reading passage that focuses on certain vocabulary and English levels and a particular set of grammar rules. You can always change almost everything about this prompt and write one that suits your purpose the best. In fact, ChatGPT is your best friend to ask for suggestions, clarifications, and anything you might need. Remember, only talking to ChatGPT about your daily tasks and things that are happening to you is the perfect opportunity to integrate English into your daily life. If you're not familiar with how things work in ChatGPT and how to create an account, you can watch our video. In fact, in our channel, we teach you how to use different AI platforms to enhance your language learning experience. So subscribe to our channel to boost your language learning journey. We do weekly long videos and daily shorts all the time. That's it for today, and we will see you in the next one.